The RapidWave4000 automated advanced cable tester quickly performs all required electrical and signal integrity tests to ensure perfect cables every time. The RapidWave4000 automated production cable tester is comprehensive and fast. It rapidly performs electrical and low-speed channel protocol tests for both USB Type-C and HDMI 2.1 cables. All required production tests are supported. The RapidWave4000 supports both USB Type-C and HDMI cables. The cable profile is selected. This defines the measurements and the test limits, and the RapidWave4000 quickly completes the full range of tests, indicating either a pass or a fail result. In the event of a cable failure, quality assurance and engineering personnel can use the same RapidWave4000 or a different unit located in their area, outfitted with the Advanced Signal Integrity Module, to perform additional tests and determine root cause of failure. The RapidWave4000 is comprehensive and fast. It performs all required electrical tests. It assists quality assurance and manufacturing engineering in determining root cause cable failure. It ensures perfect cables every time.